I got my first client and first paid internship at the age of 15 just because of this platform. I'm not kidding. I'm serious. Hello everyone, I hope you are doing amazing. This is Sameeksha Juneja this side. And yes, I was not kidding. I got my first client and my first internship at the age of 15 just because of that platform. Okay, what my backstory was, I knew some skills like maybe content writing, public speaking, and everything, but I didn't have a platform to showcase my skills. Like, if it was YouTube, YouTube will take a lot of time to grow. If it is Instagram, like people don't see like content writing related stuff on Instagram. Instagram is for aesthetic pictures. So I didn't know about any platform that on which I can showcase my skills and the right people will see me and will get me hired, will pay me. So I was not knowing about any of those platforms. I tried Medium, like okay, I can publish blogs, people read blogs there, they will know about my skills and they can reach out to me. But no, it didn't work. But this platform completely transformed my life. Like it made me some good connections with really good people, like industry experts as well as beginners of my age who were struggling to make their lives better. I got my first client, as I mentioned, I got my first internship just because of this platform. This platform is LinkedIn. I'm breaking the ice. The platform is LinkedIn. I got everything, every opportunity just because of LinkedIn. I can't I can't be grateful for knowing this platform. LinkedIn completely transformed my life, and so it can do for you. If you use it wisely and you use it in an effective manner, it can create tremendous opportunities for you within just 1 month of using it. But how to use it and how you can earn using LinkedIn, I'll tell it to you. The first option is like here you post on LinkedIn, you tell about your skills, you tell about your capabilities, you post, you engage with other fellow creators, and this is how this platform works. You need to post. And then the same thing, in the post, you can showcase your skills, you can showcase your expertise, and afterwards, you can do it like you can monetize it in various ways. I'll be discussing about it in the later part of the video. So yes, you need to showcase your skills in the portfolio. You need to showcase with other people who may take your services. And the other thing is like the very simple thing, but it is going to help you in the short run only, that is engaging with people. People on LinkedIn are like they are like network oriented, they want to learn, they want to explore, they have careers, they are learning something. So you can just simply talk to them in DMs, you can connect with them, you talk with them, you connect on networking calls, you tell about your skills, they will tell you about their skills, help them, exchange contacts, and whenever ask them to transfer opportunity whenever it comes their way. Like if they are a content writer and you are a graphic designer, if any opportunity comes their way of graphic designer, they can transfer it to you. And if you come across any content writing opportunity, you can transfer it to them. This way also works. But it is a short term period and it takes like time to grow. Like you can't scale it to much larger level because it will require a lot of efforts to like talk to various people, to be in touch with them, like talk text to them in like on everyday basis. It is going to be so time consuming. So start with posting as well as engaging in DMs on LinkedIn. This is the strategy which I use, and I got like my first internship in 1.5 months of using LinkedIn. These are the two ways like on which you can get clients and you can get opportunities. However, I'll be making a complete series on how to use LinkedIn effectively and how you can monetize it and how you can earn it on my channel. So make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out to that video. I'll be covering everything about LinkedIn, like how to use it effectively, how to write posts, how to engage, how to comment, like everything. So make sure to subscribe. Now let's talk about how can you monetize it, like how can you earn from it. So the number first thing is you can sell your services. It is the basic thing. Like if you are a freelancer, you can just start selling your services. You can start approaching clients on LinkedIn through cold outreach, or you may get inbound leads also if you are posting there. So this is the first way, like you can sell out your services, you can sell out your product. Like if you have a product, you can also sell out those products on LinkedIn. It is completely like okay. Number second is consultation calls. Like I'm a YouTuber and I'm a freelancer, I'm a national level debater and an author. I can do consultation calls with people who want to learn about these things. Like I'll charge them something around 1000 to 2000 per call, and I'll guide them everything on that topic. They can ask me proper queries, like you are guiding them throughout their journey. Like for a 1 hour session, you are giving them some consultation calls, you are guiding them in those calls. So this is the common way, like on which through which people earn on LinkedIn. However, it also works that people are eager to learn there. Here, actually, the main advantage is the people, the network. They are the people who are present, are the ones who want to learn and the ones who are excelling in their careers. On Instagram, people who are there is like most active people are who have time, who are bachelors, who can waste time storing reels. The biggest advantage is there of community, that yes, the people there are good, they want to explore, they want to learn, and they do pay and take consultation calls if you have expertise in your field and they find you suitable to take guidance from. They literally pay and take consultation calls. So this is the second way through which you can earn on LinkedIn. Number third is you can sell your other side products. Like if I'm a LinkedIn ghostwriter, like it is my freelancing services, and I have written a book on like how to start as a LinkedIn, on how to start on LinkedIn as a freelancer, or how to grow on LinkedIn. Like no matter which your industry, if I have written an ebook or a book, I can use my personal brand to sell it. Like I'll list it on LinkedIn, and people from there who trust my capabilities are surely going to buy it. Posting also creates credibility and a trust factor. If you are engaging, you can't ask them to purchase your book. But if you have a personal brand and the people follow you genuinely, like people are learning from you and they follow you genuinely, they will surely buy out your products. Like few out of them who trust you, who trust your skills, will surely buy out your skills. And personal brands are always good. They always pay out in the long run. They are like a asset in this generation, in this era. So work on your personal brand on LinkedIn, and creating a personal brand on LinkedIn is much easier as compared to YouTube, Instagram, or any other platform. So number third way was you can sell your other products, like maybe a ebook or maybe something else. Maybe you started out with a course of LinkedIn ghostwriting, or your specific niche for video editing, for graphic designing. You can sell it out on LinkedIn. Like LinkedIn is beneficial, it is helpful for selling your services because you have a community there, you have a personal brand there. Number fourth, and it is the most common one, like it is available on all social media platforms. This is paid promotions. People do paid promotions, like they charge a brand a specific amount and they promote it on your handle. I'm repeating it. Personal brand is an asset. You can monetize it in various ways. These are just few examples. You can monetize it in various ways. Many YouTubers and many Instagram influencers also earn by doing paid promotions. They also have a personal brand and they are using it to promote some other product. They have people who genuinely follow them and they are using it to promote some other products, and they are charging for that from those brands and stuff. This also creates an income. But the main thing you can keep in your mind is don't promote some non-ethical, like unethical brands and the things you don't like. Promote the things you find beneficial only. Like it is always about the trust. Personal brand is completely based upon the trust people have on you. So you don't break it. It is beneficial that we don't break it. And the number fifth way is like freelancing clients as well as like internships. Like you can do various internships and jobs there on LinkedIn. Like LinkedIn notifies you about your jobs, your your internship opportunities that are available related to your skills, related to your education. It will keep on notifying you, so you can apply to for those jobs and for those internships through LinkedIn only, and you can earn from that. These are the few ways through which you can monetize your personal brand. However, I'm again repeating it. Start posting on LinkedIn. You will create a personal brand. You will start learning gradually. You will create a personal brand, and it is going to be beneficial for you in the long run. And I'll be coming up with a series on which you can learn about LinkedIn and how to manage it effectively from me, like from a LinkedIn ghostwriter. You will learn about it. So make sure to subscribe. And that's it for this video. I'm literally saying LinkedIn transformed my life. It brought a lot of opportunities for me. Actually, I was searching it prior on YouTube, on Instagram, but those are not the like professional networks. On YouTube, video of every type is available. On Instagram, most of the things are reels and those time pass wali reels. LinkedIn is the best platform with right people with from whom you can learn, from whom you can provide your services. LinkedIn worked magical for me, and surely it will work for you. So go and make your LinkedIn account fast. And that's it for this video. I'll be coming up with LinkedIn series, so make sure to subscribe. Lots of good vibes your way. Make your account on LinkedIn, and I wish that you get lots of opportunities. This is Sameeksha Juneja signing off.